Glitter Wish is coming on Friday. What will you envision? I think Pig is envisioning bones. So I just put some in my hands. It's a blend of black spruce, geranium, lavender, sage, orange, and rose Young Living oils. I'll rub my hands together here. Let me see if I can do it. Pet my pig. Not really a pig, it's just his name. Pig. Do you like the Envision oil? It smells amazing. We're going to infuse our painting with Envision oil. It is a wonderful blend of calming oils. You're gonna get a sample of it to take home, inhale it and breathe it in. It's awesome. But we're going to have other samples if you would like to purchase them too, of different Young Living oils, and they will be on sale for just $2 a piece if you would like to try some different ones, and maybe come just a little early and purchase something to eat for dinner at Richardson Farms from our awesome chef Ben Simpkins. Check out Pig. He's now enjoying the oil very much. We're looking forward to being with you this Friday. Yay!